What's up, mga ka-foodie? Ito ang ina. Yan. So, ngayon, ito ang guest ko. And, alam nyo na, gabing-gabi, pero, ano kasi, tawag ng kalamnante. Yan, so, sa episode na to, gagawa kami ng sinigang. So, she asked me if I can help her to cook a sinigang. Then, I said yes. Right? Mahiyain siya. Sorry po. But, she can survive. Yes!
Arme, sayaw na taday, wala tay tupahay. Kauban ang tagong mix ko, diri maglipay-lipay. Sayaw na tap.
What's up, mga ka-foodie? Nagbabalik ang cooking ina. So, yun na nga. Gagawa kami ng sinigang. Hindi ko alam kung sasabihin ko eh. Pero, she's so hard to communicate with, but I can handle it. Wow! Mula na po kami. Are you ready?
Yeah, of course.
She said, of course. Then, let's go. You know what the secret recipe of sinigang?
I don't know what is the secret recipe.
Like this.
What?
What's that?
Asim. Ganun.
Asin?
Yes, ganun. Hirap naman mag-English, but I can bear it. Sinigang mix. The secret recipe of sinigang is sinigang mix. From its word, sinigang, it's sinigang mix. From Nor Cubes. Nor Cubes.
Oh, it's already finished.
It looks so masarap.
Masarap.
Yes, you know masarap?
No, I don't know.
Delicious! Delicioso. Uy! Naging multilingual. Dahil sa vlog na to, ako naman. So ngayon, Tikiman time! Sabihin mo din. Tikiman time!
Tikimantay.
You know what's the tikiman time?
No.
It's like taste test. Food taste. Ano yun? Hindi ko alam saan magaling yun. So ayun na nga. Ba't pa sinara? So tama. The first bite was from her. And she will critique if it's delicioso or not.
It's delicious.
Yeah. Of course, that's the Filipino food. It's origin from, hindi ko talaga alam. Annie, thank you for your time to collab with me.
It's a pleasure.
Na-help na natin siya kung paano gumawa ng sinigang. Philly food. Tama na, Philly food. Kasi Filipino food. O, diba? Guys, bye-bye na. It's a wrap!
Yay!
Bye ka, foodie!